Here is a look at those rainfall totals from the day today, and you can see a gradual decrease as you went up to the northeast. So here in Fort Wayne, 4/10 of an inch. Down further south and southwest, places like Marion and Portland, a little bit closer to the 1/2 inch mark of rainfall for the really afternoon. That's when it really moved in. Late morning, early to mid afternoon, and then starting to push out here later on this afternoon. Our temperatures are right now as warm as they have been all day, and a little bit of question marks regarding how warm it would get today. But some of that warmer air pulling in from the south as that front is now basically moving across the area right now. So it is warmer down further south and a little bit of a range from low 60s to upper 60s. These winds still coming in out of the south and southeast for the most part. And actually, they've been gusting up over 30 and even 40 miles per hour in some places here as the afternoon has gone on. That very strong low pressure system creates a big time wind gradient. So you get some very strong winds, not only here, but over a relatively large area. So a large portion of the Midwest getting some pretty gusty winds. You see the rain showers are both diminishing and also pushing off to the east. There's a little bit of clearing back here behind that. Now we might get in on a little bit of that, but overall I expect things to remain mostly cloudy to overcast as this low pressure keeps spinning and moving further and further off in that direction. It'll bring in some gusty winds to stick around here not only through the overnight, but into the day tomorrow as well. The cloud cover, a little bit of a dry area called a dry slot right there, but more clouds back off to the west. And I think, unfortunately, we'll be dealing with more cloud cover than sunshine here over the next 24 hours or so, moving through your day on Tuesday. So watch as this slowly spins off to the northeast. That front works its way through the area. After that front pushes through, the winds still remaining quick, but the big thing will be it'll be a lot cooler beyond that. We're talking high temperatures tomorrow, only in the low to mid 50s. Also, those winds, while they'll be out of the southwest, it's not going to do much to warm things up. A stray shower possible. For the most part, we're just tracking those windy conditions. That'll taper off by the time we move to Tuesday evening, and we'll finally start to get a little bit more sunshine after a couple back-to-back days with a lot of cloud cover. Futurecast rainfall totals, this is going from right now to tomorrow morning when all of this will be pushed out. And I think even a ½ inch is way too much. I think we're talking amounts in the few hundredths range to maybe a tenth more of an inch of rainfall here. But the big story, as I mentioned, the temperature is cooling off down into the 40s tonight, and then tomorrow not much of a climb, only topping out in the low to mid 50s. Those winds will be the story as well. They'll be gusting over 30 miles per hour at times, in some places maybe even close to 40, kind of like they were throughout the day today. So overnight tonight, we're tracking temperatures down into the mid 40s, still remaining gusty. Good news is, though, the rain showers are coming to an end for us. Tomorrow, 56 degrees, mostly cloudy, a stray shower possible, but we're no longer talking really any organized moisture. All this on the backside of a low pressure system, so not much expected. There's a mostly sunny day for us on Wednesday. And then after that, we're tracking a couple more rain chances, but probably not as much as what we saw today, up close to a ½ inch. I don't expect anything like that moving forward here the next few days. But for the most part, our temperatures will be a little bit cooler than usual, and especially after that very nice weekend we had.